When starting out in calligraphy, it's often difficult to know what sort of paper to use because there's so much available on the market. I would recommend that you start with layout paper, and here you can see it's produced in a pad specially for calligraphy. Not all layout paper is suitable. Some is too shiny and some allows the ink to bleed. A3 is the size. On the back of this pad there is a guide to writing the foundational hand as well. Layout paper is thin, as you can see. It's so thin that you can actually trace through letters. If you come on a workshop of mine, this is a workshop for Gothic script, you can actually trace through the letter forms on the sheets that you're given. As well as that, you actually only need to draw one set of lines instead of the perpetual lines that we seem to be drawing for calligraphy. And with layout paper, you can trace through the lines, as you can see here, the lines for X height and the lines for ascenders and descenders. If you're wanting to give someone a present though of calligraphy, then layout paper is obviously too thin. And so this second pad is for cartridge paper, which is more robust and has a heavier weight. On the back of this pad, it shows you how to write italic letter forms. This paper, as you can see in here, is that much more robust and is absolutely perfect for writing pieces that you want to give to your friends and family or put in exhibitions. The surface of this paper is hot pressed. That means it's been passed through hot rollers, a little bit like ironing. And the sort of letter forms that you get with hot pressed paper are smooth and very, very crisp, like these. If the paper hasn't been passed through hot rollers, it's called not, because it's not been passed through hot rollers. In America, this is called cold pressed, and the type of letter forms that you get on not paper are less crisp and less precise, so the edges are slightly broken. The third paper finish is called rough, and this is rough paper, and you can see it's very textured. It's not passed through any rollers at all, and it's quite challenging for writing calligraphy. I would suggest that you use either a very, very fine pen or a very broad one, but that's certainly something that you shouldn't be attempting when you're just starting out.